न्यूज 18 ओडिया पक्षरु आज सीएसआर कनक्लेव आयोजन कॉर्पोरेट सामाजिक दायित्वबोध उपरे आलोचना होउछि। वर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री प्रमुख परामर्शदाता असित त्रिपाठी संबोधन करुछन्ति। आसुन देखिबा एहरा सीधा प्रसारण।
राजीव बाबू आउ अशोक इंफा and all the invited guests. News 18 गोटे न्यूज मीडियम हेतिबा सत्वे आज जो वर्कशॉप रो आपण जो सेमिनार कनक्लेव रो आयोजन करिसंती एटा गोटे सामाजिक दायित्वबोधर गोटे परिचायक एटा गोटे न्यूज चैनल रो रोल रु ओहरी जाई आपण गोटे इंटेलेक्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म रे सब स्टेक होल्डर मानकू आनी इंटरैक्ट करिया जो सुजोग देइचंती तांकू सेति पई धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करिवि एवं साधुवाद देवी। 2013 रे जो कंपनी एक्ट रे सेक्शन 135 बाय अमेंडमेंट इंसर्ट करागला तापरे सीएसआर गोटे स्टैट्यूटरी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हे गला कंपनी मानकर एवं जो थ्रेशोल्ड सब फिक्स करागला से थ्रेशोल्ड रो जो प्रिंसिपल जो कंपनी रे आसुची ता परिसर रे से मानकू गोटे लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन दियागला से माने सीएसआर अर्थ स्पेंड करिया पई आमे जेतेबेले सब ऑफिसर थिलु फील्ड रे सेतेबेलकू सीएसआर नथिला सेतेबेलकू थिला पेरिफेरी डेवलपमेंट दयानंद बाबू कहले एवं पेरिफेरी डेवलपमेंट पैसा वाज ए वॉलंटरी एक्सपेंडिचर एवं जो काम रे सरकारी स्कीम रो अर्थ खर्च हो पारिबो नाही कारण सरकार बजेट जो अच्छी बड़ा रिजिड प्रोसेस एवं स्कीम रु ओहरी जाइकरी अन्य कोनसी खर्च करी हबो नाही जो सब क्रिटिकल गैप थाए लोकल एरिया मानकरे सेथरे पेरिफेरी डेवलपमेंट पैसा मोर मने अछि मु सुंदरगढ़ कलेक्टर थिली नुआपड़ा कलेक्टर थिली एडीएम राउरकेला मध्य थिली शिल्प अंचल रे जेहेतु थिली अनेक प्रकार रो इंटरवेंशन करि पारथुलु आमे राउरकेला रे गोटे फर्स्ट इंडिया रो सिटी लिटरेसी कैंपेन मु लीड करथुली से समय रे जेहेतु पेरिफेरी डेवलपमेंट पैसा बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल थिला विभिन्न शिल्पांचल रु पैसा आनी आमे खर्च करि पारथुलु जो स्टैट्यूटरी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स करागला तार बैकग्राउंड ऑफ कोर्स इज दैट आमे जो फ्री एंटरप्राइज जो मिल्टन फ्रीडमैन कहते जे private enterprise exists only for the shareholders. In the 70s, in the 60s, that was true. But today, every company is a corporate citizen. It has social responsibilities. It is now completely established, institutionalized, and it's also become a legal responsibility. So, Bartaman, after many decades, जो legal responsibility है ची, या द्वारा obviously a very large amount has come into the public space. It was mentioned in the presentation that nearly 3,400 odd crores were spent between 2014 to 2021 in 7 years. That's a very large amount. I have also been informed that nearly 1 lakh crores have been spent in the country in the last 7 years. And it is also a fact that the CSR expenditure which went up to 24,000 crores, nearly 25,000 crores in the year 18-19 has now this year apparently is only nearly 8,000 crores. It has actually crashed. So one reason, obvious reason could be the COVID expenditure. The COVID has resulted in less profitability of companies, but then the full result for the year may prove that it might be slightly higher towards the end of the year. जेहेतु CSR वर्तमान रे कौन सी monitoring, there is no obligatory monitoring. It's basically a voluntary. Even today, I think, except that there is a provision of prosecution if the statutory responsibility is not met by the companies. The government is more or less liberal. I am aware a lot of prosecutions have been launched, but I don't think any serious action has been taken against companies. But many facts have come out in the media. Many news has come out. I don't know whether they are facts or not, but many news have come out. AG reports have also come out that the CSR expenditure by different companies may have been misrepresented. I am aware of a extreme case of a steel PSU in which the entire CSR money by the former steel minister was spent in 2 districts in UP. Also, one Orissa-based PSU, expenditure of the minister's travel by helicopter was booked in the CSR. So, such examples are plenty. For example, you hire a lot of people. Hindustan Liver has hired a lot of people for launching awareness for hygiene and health. And it was shown as CSR. In fact, the awareness campaign was an advertisement campaign for its products. So, the CSR obligation has been met to an extent, obviously by responsible corporate citizens, but there are plenty of cases in the media that CSR funds which should have come to the society has been misrepresented, underspent. But so one of the thing that Dayanidhi Babu kahle je ei platform re jo discussion kara jibo agami din re khasada apan tiyari karibe. So I think we need to have a little more vigilance on the expenditure. There has to be a transparency in the expenditure. Odisha re when I was Chief Secretary, I must acknowledge the CSR spent by local companies were very, very good in the COVID expenditure. We could manage to do a lot of work outside the government purview because CSR flexibility was there. Between March 2020 and June 2020, we established nearly 20-25 hospitals. Because of the money, government paisa was available, government money was available, but it was flexible CSR money. Therefore, we could sign a lot of MOUs, established very, very flexible platforms in which private hospitals could come on board. More out of Manachi, there was another good example of a CSR spend was that Fani Halapare in Puri and Bhubaneswar, especially, and to some extent Cuttack has lost a lot of old trees. So we could generate about 20 crore of CSR money, bought 60,000 very tall old trees from Vijayawada Rajmandri area and planted 60,000 trees in Bhubaneswar and Puri and to some extent Cuttack. And those trees today in Bhubaneswar, I see them, and they are all geotagged, and the maintenance has been given to OFDC for 3 years. So they are all alive. And I have personally brought cases of death of a tree to the OFDC, and they have replaced it also. They have still a lot of old trees for replacement. So there are any examples of good spend of CSR. I am also aware that Odisha CSR re Bartaman got a priority hochi je SDG. Today SDG is the most important societal goal. Economic goal, social goal, all combined into SDG goals. By 2030, we want to eliminate absolute poverty. That is the millennium goal. So the UNDP document has been accepted by all the countries in the world. So SDG review Bartaman is very institutionalized. I am sure inside the in the government, of course, but also in the corporate world. So SDG goals have become now, so it is also mandated in the Act that the SDG goals should be the part of CSR spend. And health, sanitation, hygiene, literacy, environment goals, climate goals are all part of these CSR goals. So today I think this statutory responsibility puts a lot of obligation on CSR, but more than that, especially in the state, in the case of Orissa, we have developed a very good partnership. We have 21 PSUs in the state, I think about 285 private companies. So the amount that was mentioned, 3,400 crores, that data has been taken from the Go Care portal, which we launched last year. Not last year, last to last year. So, ame jo gote Go Care portal karichu, that's voluntary. Most of the PSUs are putting data in that. Amar gote intention thila kshetre je North Orissa re, especially Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj aur Jharsuguda area re, there are a lot of industries. Similarly, there are industries in Angul area and Paradip area. But South Orissa and Western Odisha re, especially Southern Odisha re, there are no industries and no CSR spend, except Koraput by somewhat by NALCO. and of course Kalahandi there is this Vedant. So ame chahuthulu je bhala bhala project, with the one problem that the companies face in CSR is, I am aware of that, is that good projects, good quality projects are not available to them at the corporate level for taking up and implementation. So we wanted the collectors to put in that portal, Go Care portal, good projects for the companies to pick up. But that particular portal I checked up yesterday is not very well monitored. The technical people who are there also have been withdrawn, so I have instructed the industry secretary to make it even more active. So this is the CSR is something which the companies need to spend, have to spend. There is a legal obligation, and this is also an opportunity for the PSUs and the corporates to partner the government in our priority projects, because it brings a lot of flexibility for the government. One example I like to give you is this medical oxygen. When this medical oxygen crisis started in the phase 2 meaning the second phase of COVID, and we had shortage of oxygen in Delhi especially, and we had a lot of these steel plants, we started manufacturing oxygen, and then there was a task force in the state. The Honorable Chief Minister made me the chairman of that. So we decided that we should start having medical oxygen supplies in all our hospitals. To our horror, we found none of the hospitals, including SCB, had pipeline supply. Only 3 hospitals in the state, Apollo and 2 others, had supply of pipeline to their ICUs, in other words. We have been able, by Honorable Chief Minister's direction, to now cover all our district hospitals, all our medical colleges with pipe supply of medical oxygen by different methods. A lot of corporate spend was there on the CSR, on the medical oxygen plants, LMO, and then I forget a few other methods. So I see a very strong possibility of partnership in terms of preparation for disaster management was mentioned. Disaster management madhyam, there is a lot of scope for upgrading our, there is this flood and cyclone we have managed. Lot of drought related activities is happening in the state, failure of rainway, they are also natural disaster. There is one more area I think the PSUs can come forward, is to, the agriculture happens to be one of the major source of occupation and livelihood of people. But Odisha's agriculture is still not commercialized. So we are trying to now develop clusters in which we are organizing these FPOs, farmer producers organizations. So FPOs can be mentored by CSR program, so that the FPOs can, do pre-harvest, post-harvest protocols, develop good quality produce, and then link them to the market. Farmers only want strong market linkage, assured market linkage. Then I have seen a lot of areas the farmers take up good commercial crops. So there are a lot of possibilities.